Yo!
Finally. So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
All right, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind your cause to separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians are at the gate and ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some high-profile ops, playing for exposure and laughs to get people to download our app. All right.
Don't worry. So it was something fun.
Marcus! Haha, check you out! Alive and dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out. Behold, our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share their work, their research, etc.
Okay, so what's the research app do?
Widen our skill set? Make us irresistible to the gender of our choice?
What, so it's like a I know Kung Fu kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999? Absolutely. Behold, the wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
This is the army of printers. It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of lethal weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something. But don't blow us up.
Good to have another brother here.
Good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there. Always building shit that shouldn't work. Now he's trying to build this big-ass drone.
And Wrench?
Good engineer, too. But better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara? Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer. Without her, DedSec's walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Tactical coordinator or cat herder. Take your pick. I make DedSec go where it has the most impact. You heard of Prime 8? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I've brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in. There's always someone running ops against Prime 8. Bet they'd love your help.
It's something, right?
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And speaking of which, we're downloading the DedSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Bloom.
Coming up after the break, we'll be sitting down with a former street artist. Sweet Tea, as he's known in the community, is here to promote a new book of his art and a brand new fashion line, including t-shirts, caps, and bling. Very exciting stuff.
The app's downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People, devices. See what you can pull from them. That's what helps us figure out our next ops. And running ops that are important to people is how we get them interested in DedSec. The more followers download our app, the more intel we get. It's the circle of life.
Ooh, and see if you can find some components to help us with our research. Hipster merchant
The app is your data mining tool.
of death.
Okay, I got this. So what now?
About New Dawn is how smug they all are. They're against psychology, meditation, evolution. Fields the smartest people in the world have been studying for centuries. And New Dawn's been here for
Hey, so what's this about Bobo Dakes?
You know Bobo's working on a new album, right?
Yeah, I heard.
Well, you won't get to hear it? Motherfucker Gene Carcani just put millions on the table to keep it all to himself.
What does a big pharma CEO want with a rap album?
Dude has a huge Bobo collection. And he probably wants to hang that shit on his wall like a damn trophy. Just rubbing his money in our faces, bruh.
Do you know if Bobo took the deal?
He hasn't announced anything yet, but he will. It's a lot.
And maybe there's still time for an intervention.
Time for what?
I assume you guys have heard of Gene Carcani?
He's the shit sack who's on TV laughing about how he's raising the price of leukemia medicine.
Yeah, the most hated man in America? Yeah, why do you ask?
Guy's a huge Bobo Dakes fan. Must have read Bobo's in town recording new tracks because he's offering millions to keep the album to himself.
So stupid. Bobo will never go for it.
The real one won't. So we're gonna do it for him. I'm gonna visit Bobo and see if I can borrow some of his new tracks as proof that we're legit.
How do we contact Carcani?
I need you guys to run through interviews, podcasts, whatever. Find me some usable lines. We're gonna make a soundboard.
Ooh, I love this.
Marcus, guys, the cyber driver trailer just dropped.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Hey, don't watch it without me.
Meet you at the hackerspace.
I'm on my way.
He's armed.
You ever had a hernia under your lungs? It's the worst. You try to take a deep breath, get your blood pumping, and you just can't. Or it hurts. Either way, it feels like I'm walking through water all damn day. So I take the stairs, try to get my stamina up.
The spiritual organization New Dawn is accusing Oakland City Councilor Miranda Kamei of defamation. In a recent interview, the councilor had described the organization as, quote, a fraudulent pyramid scheme. The organization seems to have fought back with more than just lawyers. The councilor's private life was recently revealed when medical records of the councilor's transgender treatments were
Gotta watch where I'm going.
How can people keep buying this New Dawn bullshit? It's obviously a money-making scheme disguised as a New Age church. These things usually target the uneducated and the elderly. But I'm seeing intelligent, well-spoken celebrities flock.
sí, dale. Ajá.
How is this happening?
Stay cool. It'll be okay.
Right, but can I just... Uh-huh.
¡Au! ¡Oye!
Sorry, man, I'm clumsy. What can I say?
That's a pretty cool drone.
Hey, man, I'm telling you, racing drones is the most fun you can have with your socks on. You should get one. You can go swooping around the hills of San Francisco, get a bird's eye view of the entire city. It's great.
You know, I might just do that.
understand me, right? Are we on the same agreement right here?
I wrote the songs in time for Fringe, but that kind of isolation isn't good for you. One of my breaks, I read about how socializing improves overall brain activity, comprehension especially. What it did for me was when I realized I had written 4 songs in 2 days, but they're all actually the same song just over and over again. Hey, I'm back.
Fucking invite. They give you all these privacy settings. Puta madre.
She had a thing going on, so she couldn't be here. She's great, you know, really, really great. We've gotten over that rough patch that I told you about. We're in a much better place. Look, can I ask, just out of curiosity, do you still have that pull-out couch?
Fuck this.
You know what? Never mind. Forget I asked. Let's go
Not
drink
worth my
or something.
time.
So, I was an idiot and ate the whole cookie. Kat said just have half, but I didn't want to be a wimp, so I ate it and started playing video games. Totally forgetting Oops! You fucking kidding me? Get the fuck out.
Son of a... What is this? Who said this? God.
Now that's ridiculous! More talk. I've had it.
What is this?
You're really looking for a beat? I will stomp you into the...
Hey!
That douchebag get lost. Ruined my life. Must be so nice to be able to just walk away from your problems, huh? Stay out of my way, you stupid asshole. Stupid selfish fucking thoughts always shouting, me, me, me.
That's interesting.
Cabron, go do that somewhere else. Oh, no, I... Oh, no. There, but...
Come on back and give us your autograph, superstar. A big king of the assholes.
Huh? Oh, man!
Hello. Too bad.
Oh, come on!
I didn't see you there.
Whoops.
Oye, lárgate de aquí, güey.
Now I need dental work, which, even if I still fuck insurance wouldn't cover by being in debt up to my eyebrows.
Más te vale que no nos provoques, güey.
No, I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
Oh, lo siento. Didn't mean to step on you.
911, what's your emergency?
Cops to hurry up. Come on.
We've tracked your location. Police are coming.
Madre de Dios, what's going on?
You're safe from things like this. What is your emergency?
We need cops. They're jacking someone.